Another neat feature of the GoldKey software is something called secure drives. You can think of a secure drive almost like a flash drive because it'll show up in Windows Explorer the same way that a flash drive would, with its own drive letter. You can drag files into your secure drive and you can execute files right out of the secure drive. The special thing is that anything you put in the secure drive is encrypted before it's written to the disk. The secure drive is actually stored as a file on your computer somewhere. Now this file can be stored on the hard drive, or it can be stored on a CD, or it can be stored even on an external flash drive. Anywhere where you could store a file, you can create a secure drive. In order to open the secure drive, you need to have your GoldKey. You'll connect your GoldKey and enter your PIN, and then the secure drive will open up as a drive letter here. And you can use it just like you would a flash drive, move files in and out, with the peace of mind that anything you put in there is encrypted before it's written to the disk. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how you can create secure drives. Now, a lot of these things are similar on Windows and Mac, but I'm going to be focusing on Windows today. So I have the software open on the Secure Drives tab. You'll notice that there's a list where it'll show the secure drives that I create. So I'm going to create a secure drive. I could click here and create a new secure drive. I can create as many as I want. We can also click anywhere in Windows Explorer or even on the desktop and say New, and one of the choices is a GoldKey secure drive. So I can click that and it'll create a new one, and you'll see this new file, and I get to name it whatever I want. And then when I double click on it, it'll prompt me for my GoldKey PIN. And then I'm required to give it a name and specify a size and everything that way. So this gives me the ability to create a secure drive wherever I want. I can open up to a mapped drive on the network, and I can just right click and say I want to create a new file and make a new secure drive right there. Okay, now there's one other way to create a secure drive that is extremely useful, and that involves right clicking to encrypt a file. So I right click on a file and I choose the encrypt with GoldKey option. And I type in my GoldKey PIN again. And then I must specify what groups I want to be able to give access to this file again. Now in this case, I'm going to choose that some of these groups can access it. And then I hit OK. And it makes an encrypted version of that file. You'll notice it popped up over here. So the secure drives are really flexible, and they give you a lot of options on your local system of encrypting your local data. And also creating backups of your local data. You can easily right-click on a whole folder and encrypt that whole folder and put it into a secure drive that can easily be stored on a CD or any other type of backup.